Welcome back, my beauty squad. How you been? If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. Make sure you hit that subscribe word right down here, and that you got this bell right here turned all the way up, and when you get every notification from my channel, because I upload every day. Plus I go live every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern time, and we have loads of fun there. And just an awesome community. So if you have not joined one of our lives, please, I highly suggest you do. Especially if you're somebody trying to build your community or build your channel or start a YouTube. Any of those this is an awesome community to join in. So today we are week 5 of the JV Baby Book collab. We're moving on down. Yay. And this week we are not doing a look inspired by one of my kids. We're just doing a baby pink look. Or we're doing a baby face challenge. I will not be doing a baby face challenge just because I haven't been feeling the greatest. I'm getting later on in my pregnancy. It's getting a little bit more tired on me. A lot more pressure. A lot. Just of course, this is my 9th child, so it's to be expected. So I'm just going to do a very quick little gorgeous pink look. If you would like to see my eye look, stay around. So you decided to stick around. Yay! Thank you so much for staying here. It means the absolute most to me to have each and every one of y'all here watching my content and staying around and seeing what kind of eye look I come up with. So I pulled out 2 palettes. I didn't know which ones. I got the Maddie Ziegler palette and then the Fantasy palette. These are 2 newer palettes that I've just got. I absolutely love these pink shimmers in this. So I grabbed this one. And then in this, they don't really have any soft pink in it. So I might have to go grab another palette. Ooh, I know what palette. But I'm going to jump off. And I'll show y'all on here what palettes I'm using, what colors I'm using. Of course, y'all know I like to keep y'all in the loop just in case you want to recreate it yourself. But I will speed that part up and be right back. I'm back for the last and final time for the night. Just for the night though. This is my soft pink baby look. I hope you like it. I worked hard on it. I really like the shades. I love the 35C. I never thought I would really like a cooler tone palette because that's kind of like what this is, but it's very beautiful. It is so easy to do soft looks like this with this. So addition to your collection. Just saying. You hear me whispering that in your ear. And I don't never highly recommend anything unless I'm for sure, like, a true-hearted, like, true friend, a fan of it. So, I do cherish this palette. I honestly didn't think I was going to like it because I even told my baby, I was like, if I don't like it, let me try it out once and then I'll give it to you. And then I ended up, like, really liking it. But she has had a chance to try it out too, so. But she might end up getting it too because she really liked it. But yeah, make sure you drop down in my description box and check out all the amazing channels that are in this collab as well. Like I said, this is week number 5. So if you're just joining us, we do have a couple weeks back. I will make a separate playlist for those in my playlist description and put them there so that y'all could just go and watch all of them. They are all inspired by my family. This one is the only one that's a little different, and I know some of us is doing like the high face, the small face challenge, and I really wanted to do that. It's just with how I've been feeling the past couple of days, I'm not up for it. I didn't want to skip out on the whole situation, so I went with a little easier route. I hope y'all like this. I hope one of y'all actually recreate it. Y'all know I absolutely love it when y'all recreate my looks. I love it. Like, that's like the highest compliment you could get. Just saying. But look at this shirt that I'm wearing. It says Pregos. I got stuff all over it. Pregos. It's super cute. Yeah, I think. I will be coming in and giving y'all more updates on the baby a lot sooner in between because now I'm over 30 weeks. I'm 31 weeks. And I will be starting going to the doctor every week. And I will be getting an ultrasound every week with an update of the baby. So, yay! I get to see her every week and see what kind of chaos she's causing up in there. And hopefully we'll be having a baby soon. So, y'all stay tuned. Don't forget, my baby shower is September 20th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. My normal live is just going to be a baby shower. So, I hope to see y'all all there. Don't think you have to bring anything or do anything. Just to have y'all as support there. That's all I need. That's all that matters. I already have a couple gifts here and some coming in that I will be doing a unboxing with on my live to show y'all and letting y'all know like who said what, all that. So I love y'all very much. Thank y'all for watching.